I now move to relatively easier area, which is online dialogue design and file design, design online interface process, current design of magnetic tape. User design or user interface design of computer application, machine, mobile communication. There are different types of user, each of which has distinct characters. Easy to use, easy to learn, processing, responding, easy to build up. Prototype for user design is menu table, symbols, form, language, command. Essential instructions to dialog design is feedback, status, escape, minimum, default, support, and system. Notes. Process. There are several phases in process user interface which are more demanded. Functionality requirement gathering, user analysis, information charactering, prototyping, usability testing, graphical user interface, prototyping, development of wireframes, information architecture, user analysis. Then we have current features. MSN user term using client mode, void structure and process software design. Further appearance is that humanoid is used to interface design tool as abstract conceptual software tool. A user interactive software tool helps develop design, implement user interface, research or and then you have Peridot is experimental design design. Then you have aesthetic importance of vehicles studies the process use of aesthetic as a study extend test detail with a context model. Uh, like manipulating things and usability as perceptions are not reflected. Then the next file is design of files. The basic factors consider selection of a media and file or files, method of processing for updating of files, size of file, file inquiry capability, active radio records, file volatility, response time. Updating file in a batch file, old master file, transaction file, new master file, output reports. In a batch processing, sequential method of processing using magnetic tape, it is a method of technology creation. Method of random is used to update the files and transactions. It is widely used for online processing wave transaction of master file. Instead of uploading multiple files, magnetic and magnetic and according large file, magnetic tape is more convenient and economic for holding large file, particularly on records of sequentially. Magnetic disk can also large volume data, but is very expensive for use for online processing. The inquiry capability is related to each of the specific current file. Direct access storage device connectly under Telegraph CRT is usually used to record information. After recording a file, desired to communicate to CPU, CRT or typewriter. So you have simulation, updating, open file, current order file, custom file, product file, new order file. Time interval between entering inquiry and getting reply is called response time. Some application requires a fast response time. The activity ratio of a file is important feature in file design. It is a measure of proportion of record processability. The file with high activity ratio can be processed more economically using sequential processing method. The characteristic of file is volatility, which indicates addition, deletion, change in life. When a file is accessed frequently, as in bank stock exchange, high volatile. Use of auxiliary device. Auxiliary device input storage excluding main storage, other names or storage are secondary or backing need of auxiliary. When customer enters data program by means of input device, those are implemented RAM is volatile memory. Floppy auxiliary device. Magnetic disk, magnetics size all 3 and which how far you can look at the supported storage 10 to 100 MB. So we have track 102 for magnetic disk. Then the head positioning is disk, head to right, head to turn the accurately or necessary to more complicated is servo positioning to exact head position. That you have magnetic tapes IBM the recording is calculated by bit per inch. The characters here once the recorded individual track running across the magnetic tape for example. So there are different types of user interfaces and each of us has distinct characteristics. User interface design or user interface design of computer appliance, machine, mobile software. Filling the form is accept data processing. The goal of user interface design is to make user interaction as simple, efficient possible term. There are several phases in process of user interface, some of which are more demanded. Humanoid Peridot is experimental great user interface. The auxiliary defined humanoid Peridot user interface design. Peridot is experimental tool that allows design to create user interface without conventional programming. Nowadays, interfaces that let design express abstract conceptualization. Finally, system engineering and quality assurance. System engineering management, quality assurance organization, design, objective design of software, documentation of design to system engineering applies up to for example, technical knowledge area in which system and system engineering and if it constant process of system engineering management also will understand the concept of quality assurance. System engineering three usually used definition of system engineering for best During a technical standard, there was generally a logical series of activities that converts an operation requirement explanation system and includes complete technical effort and development to verify incorporate and interpolation mutual data. System engineering management develop facing enters this happen. System engineering process that offers a structure for solving problems. Development phase, life cycle phase, system engineering process, system engineering management, cycle. On this activation, obtain proper version of expression, phasing the two and object enters design of and main association with the technical management. The feasibility of baseline generated input acquisition milestone is a MS decision. Examples of software engineering design is an example of quality assurance. Quality of information depends on its design, development, testing, implementation, non-expected reliability. System is reliable when it is not predictable, it is costly. This definition distinguishes between software as not producing. Yet software is try to prevent against using method recognition, detection, correction, error, tolerance. Both these are useful keeping system. The quality assurance is the software production for completeness, correctness, reliability. Of course, include assurance system meets the specification requirement for use. A cooking recipe can say example of quality recipes. Quality assurance has been defined as planned and systematic pattern of all necessary to provoke adequate confidence, comprehensiveness, planning, relativity, cost. Comprehensive is not just a function of software quality, because all necessarily activities. Planning on systematic to achieve objective of software quality. Relativity is the notion of quality is data. The purpose of quality is not to guarantee 100% reliability. Cost while purchasing any product, the of quality products usually reflect its price, and software quality creates cost. Product quality is therefore wholly by customer. Topic is the software quality. Purpose and scope of the plan. Document referred in a plan. Organization structure. Documents to be prepared. Standard review and audits to be conducted. Configuration, management practice and process. Specific tools and requirements. Other facilities. More specifically, software quality assurance is performed during the following criteria: software authentication and acceptable or not prepared during product evaluation prior to a function authorization. Project management, case, format, method, object oriented. So these are quality assurance and organization. Then design objective. Then you have design software and documentation. After all the work, the designer is required to organize. The organized way of keeping records all documents required by SDLC. However, can be referred to SDLC. Document design and table, structured flowchart, hippo diagrams, Warner or diagrams. Structured flowchart, process iteration, so necessary structure chart. Then you have hippo diagram. It is another tool used for developing system software. It is an synonym for hierarchical input-output. Was developed to provide documentation process. The concept of hippo is concept of module. So that's a hierarchical. Then you have Warner or OR diagram. Warner or diagram, also known as logical construction program construction system. Then you identify output. So bracket subset, weekdays, and so on. System engineering is an type of management that develops authentication and develops like system. The idea of system engineering is to provide structure and the quality of information depends on structure to quality. Hippo diagram, Warren diagram, quality and documentation are main aspects that are talked here.